Hi, welcome to Hey Kitchen. Today I'm going to do puran paneer Golgappa. And to do this, I'm using the pani puri puris, 1 cup of chana dal, half cup of jaggery, half cup of paneer grated, some cashew nuts, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I've soaked the chana dal in water for like 2-3 hours, and now I'm going to strain the water and steam it in pressure cooker. I've taken this in a bowl, sprinkled little water, and I'm going to pressure cook it for like 4-5 whistles. So I have the cooked chana dal here. I'm going to mash this little bit, and then I'm going to add the jaggery, and I'm going to keep it in the microwave. Mash the chana dal, and I'm going to add the jaggery in this and mix it well, and then I'll be microwaving it. In the microwave for 1 minute. I'm going to mix this well and repeat this for a couple of minutes till it gets nice and thick. I'm going to let this puran cool for some time. When it's completely cool, I'm going to add the paneer and the cardamom, and then I'm going to fill the puris with the cashew nut on top. So now I'm going to mix the cardamom and also some paneer, and I'll leave some paneer for putting it on top. So now I'm going to fill this puri with the puran, and I'm going to top it with some paneer and also cashew nuts. This will make a very good dessert for parties. I cannot wait to have these puris, and if you like this recipe, please leave your comments and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.